My name is Scott Bailey. I'm the director here at Camp Qwanoes, and it's junior high number 3. It's Tuesday, photo and video day. Camp started on Sunday. We got off to a great start. We're having so much fun here. I thought it would be fun for you to meet some of our activity leaders and other leaders around the camp from different areas of camp. So here they come now.
Hi everyone, we're the Challenge Course team. We run all the high rope activities up over there, and we are so excited to send all of these campers up in the air to discover new heights.
Hi guys, my name is Sophie and I'm part of the healthcare team. We're making sure that the kids stay healthy and hydrated this summer.
Hey guys, I'm Sophia and I'm the land activities leader, and I get to supervise skateboarding and outrageous and all the cool things on the land, like basketball.
Hey, I'm Hat Tate and this is the events team right here. We just played Boom Lagoon yesterday, and tonight we've got Ninja Strike, our night game. See you there.
Oh my God! This time it's job for Jeff! Get down! Get down! No, get down! That'll leave a mark, but Qwanoes is safe once again! Yeah!
I'm Will. I'm from the maintenance team, and we're the reason the bathrooms are usable and the camp stays beautiful.
Hey everyone, my name is Keenan. I'm one of the kitchen assistants. We are so thrilled to be serving food to you guys this week, and tonight we have barbecued hot dogs and hamburgers. Woo!
Hey, my name is Kaylin. I'm the waterfront leader and I'm from Saskatchewan. We're looking forward to some of the hottest weather of the whole summer, and I brought a couple of my friends that are just pulling up now. This is the kind of thing that we'll be doing down at Qwanoes Beach.
My name is Randy. I work in the Q-Town building over there. I do all kinds of music and actions and all kinds of fun stuff with that and with all the campers. Have you guys been having a fun time in Q-Town at the fireside? So we're gonna play a little song for you guys that we've been learning this week. Quit talking about all of the strong in a life that's so light. We're excited, everyone's invited. Step into this now. We're going all out.
Oh yeah, we are only 2 days in this week. This is one special week here. You've heard from some of our staff. I think you need to hear from our amazing campers. Hey you guys, how's the week going?